Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1969 Chevy Camaro. Best year of the Camaro. In fact, it is the last year of the first generation. The one we have here features a dark blue exterior with a 2-inch cowl induction hood. So as you can hear, it is powerful. It does have a touchy clutch. But let's continue on with the exterior. It has the torque thrust rims on it, spoiler in the back, D90 hockey stripe going down the sides. As for the interior, you got the twin bucket seats, 5-speed manual, little tiny 3-spoke wheel. One of the cool things about it is it does have EFI sniper, so you don't have to worry about pumping the gas each time. Underneath the hood, you got the 396 big block crate motor with headers. Definitely very powerful, very fun to drive, but you also want to be safe. That's why they have the shoulder belts there as included. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around, maybe have a little fun, and stay tuned to see it on the lift.